Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the waterproof W30 wetsuit. So this is a full length 2.5mm wetsuit. So this is more sort of tropical diving where you want to be covered, but the water temperature isn't too bad. So you need more of a kind of physical protection with a little bit of thermal, but you don't want the big sort of bulk of a 5mm. So because it's made for tropical diving, it's kind of stripped down with features. It doesn't have all the sort of fancy seals and things that you'll get on some other wetsuits, but it's going to be just as comfortable. So taking a closer look, we're going to start up around the neck. So the neck itself is just rolled neoprene over the top of it. So you've got a rolled finish, so it's soft against your skin. It goes up fairly high, so you're still protected from your BCD shoulder strap rubbing against your neck. On the inside, it's just a standard neoprene lining. It doesn't have glide skin or anything. So water is going to sort of flush in, but you're going to be somewhere nice and warm. So it's going to be, it's not going to be too bad. Over your shoulders, all of this detailing is quite grippy. So for your BCD shoulder strap, it's going to stop it from moving around and sliding over your shoulders. So that's going to stay sort of nice and secure, but it's also going to protect that area from the usual wear and tear of your BCD strap sort of rubbing on the wetsuit. Now moving down, 2.5mm neoprene is fine for sort of tropical diving. And you can see we've got big open panels, which means it's quite flexible as well. The stitching itself is flat lock stitching, so this is soft against your skin, especially on the inside. Moving down to the cuffs themselves, around the cuffs we have more of this detailing in black. So this is for your dive computer. It's going to sort of hold on to that, and it's going to stop your computer from moving around and sort of sliding around on your wrist. It's going to hold your computer in position. The end of the cuff is exactly the same as the neck. So this is just rolled neoprene, and you've got that same sort of traditional lining on the inside. Moving down the suit onto your right hand hip, you can see we have this section here. So this is for the W pad pocket. So you can sort of add a thigh pocket onto this wetsuit, and that just sort of goes in sort of underneath, and it's held in position by this Velcro. So that's very handy. You can add sort of storage options onto your sort of right hand hip. Moving down to your knees, more of that detailing. Again, this is more for protection than grip. So this is going to protect that area from the usual wear and tear you do if you're kneeling down on the bottom. Bottom of the cuffs, bottom of the leg, exactly the same as the wrist cuffs, just that rolled neoprene and that standard lining on the inside, same as on the outside of the suit. So spinning it around, back entry suit, the zipper goes all the way straight down your spine, and you've got a nice long leash attached onto that so you can get in and out of it all by yourself. But right at the top we have a Velcro sort of closure system, and this is that sort of modern Velcro, so it's not too abrasive. It's not going to stick to the actual suit itself and cause that to pile, but it does stick onto this quite effectively, and that's going to be how you control exactly how snug it is around your neck. If you want it a little bit looser, you can just loosen that off. Underneath that, we have a metal YKK zipper attached onto that leash, and very quick and easy to undo that zipper. And as you'll notice, right underneath that zipper is this section of neoprene. So this is a flush guard that stops the water from going straight through the zipper and getting straight to you. It slows it down, gives it a chance to warm up a little bit. And then inside of the suit, you'll see it's just a standard sort of lining, nothing too fancy on here, because this is made for tropical warmer water diving, where it's okay for water to get in, and as long as it's fairly snug around your neck and around your cuffs, it's going to stop it from sort of flushing around, but the wetsuit itself is going to keep you nice and warm. Now, getting back into it, you've got this little tab down in the small of your back, at the bottom of the zip. Grab hold of that, grab hold of the leash, and then just pull that up. Section of Velcro over the neck, and you're back into your suit. Now you see over the seat, over your bum, we've got more of that sort of detailing. So if you're sat on the wet sort of side of a rib on the tender, you've got a bit of grip, so you're not going to be sliding around. And other than that, it just matches the styling of the front of the suit. So great for tropical diving. It's nice and thin, so you're not going to need too much lead to help you get down. 2.5 mil, it's very flexible. It's got everything that you need in a wetsuit. This is the Waterproof W30 Wetsuit. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.